Good morning, all. Welcome back to Mongo's Manor. My name is Rich. As you can see behind me, we got a little bit of snow last night. Probably about 5 centimeters, I guess, just over 5 centimeters. Was that 2.5 inches in American talk? So today we are going to take probably an hour or so, break out the old tractor with the snowplow, and we will clean all this up. I also have to put away a little bit of equipment. I'm a little bit late getting put away, like my wood splitter and table and sawhorse and my little cargo trailer all have to be put back into the shed. So I'm going to do that today also once I finish cleaning up. Before we get started, just want to ask you guys to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a lot. We're trying to increase our viewership. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, it helps us get into the YouTube algorithms and get seen by more and more people. So I'm going to warm up my tractor and we'll get started. And there you go. All done. The first snow plow of the year is always so messy. The ground hasn't frozen yet. So all the dirt's still pulling up. Makes for a messy yard. But not too bad. Done. It was getting kind of slushy and heavy, and now it's getting colder again, so I think it's all going to freeze and turn into a nice ice sheet. So, all over here done, there done. Back in here, I got my trailer back in this spot here, right there. That's where it sleeps for the winter. And put my splitter back over there, back in its winter parking spot. Now I just need to get these Adirondack chairs in there, which I should have done before I parked it, but you know, FND will do that to you. You forget simple things. So these are my these are the Christmas present for my oldest son, Jeff. We bought him some Adirondack chairs, custom made Adirondack chairs from a local guy. He made it a pine. They did a great job. They're nice and comfy to sit in. So hopefully my son enjoys them. He already knows about them, so I'm not really bursting a bubble here. He already knows that they're coming. So I'm going to move those Adirondack chairs, and then that should be it for today. Back to you shortly. All right, that's where we're going to end the video. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a lot. And until the next time, have a great day, great week, great month, great year, and most importantly, a great life. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.